What's up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We are coming out with another video in jQuery, and today we're going to be talking about CSS properties and class manipulations. I already have my HTML file ready to go, and we're going to be working with this deep example right here, with an ID and by the name example, and then we have some paragraph right here, and every paragraph has already a class name, has an ID name, class name, ID, and we have this paragraph 1, paragraph 2, 3, 4, and 5. And also we have some buttons that we added, so and they also have an ID, and the name is set props, adding a class, removing a class, toggle class, and that's what we have. We go back in our yeah, before we go to our page, let's check our CSS, and that's what we have. Um, so we're going to be adding this class right here, the P class. It's going to be color green, text transform uppercase, and yep. And this is the margin for the buttons, and we have our JavaScript ready to go. Right here, I have some. Everything's already ready to go. I just commented out, so we can just talk about it. I have my document that ready function to go, ready to go, and I already have these selectors right here for the div ID set prop. So we're adding a click uh, event, and and that's what we have. But for now, those buttons they do nothing. Okay. Okay. Cool. So we go back and check our web page in the web browser. Let's go back, and this is what we have. Getting and setting CSS information is accomplished via a set of dedicated jQuery functions. As you can tell, right now, CSS is really important piece of the puzzle for an HTML page. Without it, pages they wouldn't look like that nice as we have it now. But because of CSS, it looks like so gorgeous. People just came up with insane styles for a web page, you know. And now with jQuery, and also we can create some CSS functions that's going to let us also work with CSS. We can manipulate, we can change the styles, we can make it look really nice too. So we're ready to go right here. As I said before, these buttons right here in our page, they don't work, they don't do anything. Let's start. Let's uncomment it out. This first one right here for our set prop, um, which is going to be the first one. So we're doing the example div uh, ID name, and also we're going to toggle the we're going to target the paragraphs, and we're passing the CSS function, and also we are doing the text decoration, and we're giving a value of overline. Okay, so let's save that and see what we have. Refresh our browser and click in set property. All right, so the text decoration that we're getting is going to be overline, and that's what we have, overline. Cool. Now let's uncomment the second one. We have another CSS function, and we're doing the font size. So we're doing the plus equal 1 pt. So what this means is this. So it will take the current number, and we're adding 1 point to this one. So basically we save it. It should increase the font. Click on the set property. If you keep clicking, we just keep adding. See? Click, 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 click. Nice. Cool. That works good. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Let's add the class. Right? which we have. If we go to our HTML page, I mean file, what we have, add a class. So let's just make it this big, add a class, this one. The buttons add a class. We're going to add a class, and we have this ID name is add a class, right? Actually, let's go back. Let's go back and take a look at a pretty good example of that. Okay, so let's uncomment this out. Okay, we're doing the same example. We're targeting the P element, like the paragraph, and then we're going to be adding a class, which is the function. We're going to be adding the P class. And what do we have for the P class? Like I was saying before, P class is going to give us all the paragraph is going to be a green color, and they're going to turn to be uppercase because now they are not uppercase, right? Okay, let's go back to our jQuery. Let's save it, refresh our page, and let's just do add a class. Wow, yeah, we said it was green, and now also we want to just to make uppercase, so that's what we have. So now let's go to the next one. Let's just go to remove it. Let's remove that class. Okay, let's uncomment that, and then we have remove a class. Yeah, we're just using the function remove a class, so we're just going to remove it. Let's save it, and let's refresh it, and let's go back and click add a class. Cool, that added the color and the uppercase, and now we're going to remove the class, which is going to, if we click the button, it should give us just the regular default text. Yeah, that's what we have. Cool, that worked. Now toggle, let's uncomment that out, out. Oh man, I can't even talk. And then we're going to toggle the P class again. So let's save it, refresh it. So let's see, we're going to go add the class, remove the class, and let's toggle the class, which is going to give us the same P class values that we have, properties and values that we have in there, which is going to be green and then uppercase, same. So it's kind of like a turn it on, turn it off, that type of case. Now that's pretty cool. Now we have this set properties is not doing anything yet, so let's work on that. Set properties, let's uncomment all of this out. Let's just do this a lot easier. Okay, so right here we're still using the ID name example. We're targeting the P elements, the paragraphs, and we're going to be passing the function, working with the function CSS, and then we're going to be doing an object inside. And you know that an object has a key and has a value. So right here we're going to do the font weight, which is going to be bold, the value, color is going to be red, and then text decoration, that's going to be underlined. Okay, let's save it and refresh our page, and then let's just go back and click and set properties. Nice. So font weight is going to be bold, so it's bold. So it's going to be color red, it's color red, and then text decoration is going to be underlined, and that's what we have, underlined. So basically this worked pretty good. Okay, this is how you manipulate, this is how you work with the CSS properties, and then you add classes, you remove classes, and all of that stuff. So this was just a simple way doing it and explaining about it, but you can just do a lot bigger projects with this. Um, yeah, all right, guys. Hopefully this video help you out, and I will talk to you in the next video. Okay, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.